Water is your biggest enemy on a trail because that's what erodes it. So anytime you're laying a trail out or maintaining or constructing it, you're kind of imagining where's that water going to go. If you do it the wrong way, it can cost you a lot of time and money. It can even cost you volunteers. If you design a trail correctly, put it in the right place, build it correctly, then it doesn't require as much maintenance. Lots of volunteers, it's important for them to come out and to do trainings like this so that they can kind of see where water is going and understand how to get it to move off the trail. These are volunteers. They come out and maintain the trail to provide a better experience to the user. They're building rolling grade dips to get water off the trail, and they're taking that dirt and they're pushing it past the dip to form a berm, and that way water will come down the trail, hit this dip, and go off. And again, try to make it as smooth, natural, and tapered as possible so it doesn't look like somebody just came out here with a tool and dug it, right? You need to know what the purpose of that trail is and what experience you want to provide. And so, for instance, a 4-foot wide natural surface trail in the woods offers a much different experience than a 10-foot wide asphalt greenway. When you're laying the trail out, you're kind of dictating or creating that experience the way that you want it to be created. There's thought that goes into that. There's a reason why the trail goes around that tree or dips here or dips there, and now it's there. And then, you know, hundreds of thousands of people are going to walk on it or ride on it, and it's all because you put it there. And if you put it there right, it'll be there for 100 years.